Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make cream using ghee. Start with 1 cup of ghee, which is clarified butter, and 1 cup of very cold water. Make sure your ghee is at room temperature, not melted or solidified, for the best consistency. You will also need a mixing bowl and either a hand whisk or an electric mixer. This simple method will transform your ghee into a creamy texture, perfect for various culinary uses. Now, put your room temperature ghee into the mixing bowl. Begin adding the cold water very slowly, about 1/4 of a cup at a time. As you add the water, whisk continuously and vigorously. The mixture will start to emulsify and change texture. Keep whisking until the ghee begins to lighten in color and thicken. Keep on whisking. You will notice the mixture transforming into a pale, fluffy, and creamy consistency. The volume will increase significantly, indicating that air is being incorporated. Make sure to scrape down the sides of your bowl occasionally to ensure all the ghee and water are thoroughly combined. This step is crucial for achieving that smooth, rich cream. Once your cream has reached the desired consistency, transfer it to an airtight container. You can store this homemade cream in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. It's a fantastic substitute for regular cream in many recipes. Enjoy using your freshly made cream in your favorite dishes, from savory sauces to sweet desserts, or even as a delightful topping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.